That's another plus. And first impression of the controller, feels solid. It has that Xbox style layout, so if you're used to Xbox controllers, it feels natural right away. The grips feel comfortable and secure in your hand, so it won't ever fall out. It's really grippy. The joysticks feel smooth and tight. It's not like they're not gonna get stick drift, like you can already tell. The buttons are clicky but not too loud. I'm not sure if you can hear that. There you go. The triggers, they feel responsive, you know? They have Hall effect and then click. Or yeah. And they're supposed to use Hall effect sticks, which are supposed to help prevent stick drift over time. That's a big plus.